Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is engr.ibrahim.omer, and in this tutorial we will learn how to animate spur gears in Solidworks. First we will import the gear models from Solidworks library. Then we will position the gears correctly using PCD based center distance. Next we will explore physical dynamics for more realistic movement. And after that we will apply some gear mate to control motion between the gears. And then finally we will create a smooth animation of the gear system. So let's get started. So here you can see that I am using SolidWorks 2020, but if you are using a below version of SolidWorks or a future version of SolidWorks, you can still follow this tutorial. So let's go to here new, and here I will select assembly instead of part, and I will select OK. So first of all, as usual, I will change my background to plain white, and I will set my units to mmgs, that is millimeters gram second. So let's go to SolidWorks library, and here I will go to this option toolbox, and I will click here add in now, and here I will go to this option NC metric. And then I will look for power transmission, and then I will click this option gears, and here you will see multiple kinds of gear like helical gear, spur gear, and internal spur gear that is used in automatic transmission, straight bevel gear, etc. So I will select this gear. And here you can see the properties of the gear. The module is 3, number of teeth 20. I will keep pressure angle as 20. This is the width of the gear, which is 12 mm. The nominal shaft diameter 20. And you can apply keyway, but I will keep it as it is, and I will select OK. I will cancel it, and I will again drag another gear, and this time you can see module is 3, and I will change number of teeth to be 30. The nominal shaft diameter I will change it to 20, and you can see 2 gears, and the rest I will keep all things as it is, and I will select OK. And I will cancel it. Now I will use these 2 gears for the animation. So first I will drag this gear, and you can see this gear is fixed by default, so I will right click and I will select this option float. Now I can move this gear anywhere in my graphics area. Now in order to correctly assemble these 2 gears, we need pitch circle diameter or PCD. So basically the relation between PCD, gear module, and number of teeth is M equals to D by Z, where M is the gear module, D is the pitch circle diameter or PCD, and Z is the number of teeth. So my gear module for this smaller gear is 3. And number of teeth are 20, so it would be like 3 into 20, 60. So PCD for this smaller gear is 60, and for this bigger gear is 3 into 30, which makes 90. So 90 diameter for this bigger gear and 60 diameter for this smaller gear. So let's go to here sketch, and then I will select right plane, sketch, and here I will create 2 circles. This diameter is 60, and I will make a center line. This would be like 75, and I will make another circle having diameter 90 units or 90 millimeters. Now you can see these 2 circles are tangent at this point, and I will exit this sketch. Now I will align my gears. Now I will select this vertex and I will select this face and I will make it concentric. Similarly, I will select this vertex and I will select this face and I will make it concentric. Now I will select this circle and I will select this face and I will make it coincident. Similarly, I will select this smaller gear and I will select this circle and I will make it coincident. Now you can see these gears are aligned. But for creating a perfect alignment, I will use this option. I will go to here, move component, and under move component, you can see we have three options: standard drag, collision detection, and physical dynamics. So I will select this option, physical dynamics, all components. Now when I will rotate this smaller gear, so the bigger gear will also rotate in relative to the smaller gear. So let's check it out. I will drag this smaller gear. So you can see there is no motion, but when it will coincide with this bigger gear, so both gears will rotate together. You can see the movement, but you can see there is no motion. So that is the advantage of physical dynamics command, and it will really help you when you are mating your components in SolidWorks assembly. You can see there is no motion, but when it will hit the bigger gear, so both gears will move relative to each other. You can see. Okay, so when you are satisfied, click OK. So before applying gear mate, I will apply some appearance or color onto these gears. So first I will apply color on this smaller gear. Right click, and then I will go to this option and let's apply purple color onto this gear and select OK. I will remove this color and I will apply some different color onto this gear. Let's apply cyan color and select OK. Now I will go to here mate and I will look for gear mate. These are standard mates, so I will go to this option, mechanical mates, and under mechanical mates I will select this option, gear, and in the inputs I will select this circle and I will select this circle. So I have to change the number of teeth or diameter. It is 90, and for the smaller gear it is 60. You can reverse the direction and I will select OK. Now you can rotate two gears together. Finally, I will make a very simple animation using motion study. So go to here, motion study, and here I am using this option, animation. So first I will go to here, settings, and you can see frames per second 50. Okay, fine. And I will select motor, select this circle, choose 10 RPM, constant speed, rotary motor, select OK. And now I will calculate the animation. So here you can see basic animation of spur gears. Here is an important message, as some students were approaching me. If you do like some personal guidance, I offer one-to-one session for engineers, students on AutoCAD, SolidWorks, ANSYS, different engineering topics, assignments, and even in final year project. You can reach me through my email and I will be providing my email in the description link. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.